Today's episode is brought to you by cruiseline.com, where you can compare cruise prices with easy-to-use cruise search. Check out the link in the description below. Hey cruisers, packing for a cruise can get a little confusing. There's tons of information out there that can lead you to believe you need everything that will fit into your suitcase, but you really don't. As cruise ships get more high-tech and stateroom designs get better and better, you're probably going to find that you need less stuff to keep you comfy on the high seas. So here's our list of 6 things you can leave behind. Number 1. Leave your blow dryer at home. Unless you have very long hair or a particular affinity for your blow dryer, I know some of you do, you'll probably find the one in your cabin to be sufficient. Most cruise ships these days come with in-room dryers that will do the trick, even if they aren't perfect. Next up, beach towels. All of the mass market cruise lines these days offer beach towels that you can use on the ship and on shore days. Just be sure not to take them home with you at the end of the cruise, or you'll be charged. Number 3 may surprise you, since we've packed this many times. It's a power strip. Many cruise lines are prohibiting the use of power strips these days, so ditch the strip and go with a USB charging hub instead. We'll link to one in the description. Of course, if you need an extension cord for a CPAP machine or another necessity, just give the cruise line a call to see what they recommend that you pack for your particular situation or what they can provide for you on board. Number 4 is something we used to swear by, but we just don't use them anymore. Yep. Over-door shoe hangers were really trendy for a while in the cruise world, but now cruisers are reporting to us that sometimes the hangers don't fit over the doors. Also, some cruise lines have policies against using the over-the-door shoe hangers, so use your best judgment on this one. How about food? Sure. Grabbing some packaged snacks for the flight or drive to your cruise is a great idea, and we do it all the time. But one of the best things about cruising is that you'll have lots of food options on your cruise. So don't waste too much suitcase space on snacks unless there's something you absolutely can't live without for the duration of your cruise. Some cruise lines and ports actually prohibit certain types of food like fruits, veggies, and meat. So leave the food at home. And the last thing that we think you should leave at home is valuables. High-value items like really fancy jewelry and watches might just add stress to your relaxing cruise vacation. Some people like to pop these items in the safe when they aren't using them or on beachy port days. But aside from our wedding rings, we prefer to leave our valuables at home, especially when traveling to unfamiliar places. Okay, our question of the day for you is, what items do you suggest that newbie cruisers leave at home? Thank you so much for tuning in to another Vlogtoberfest episode. And until tomorrow, we'll see you on the high seas.